ball, bounce it high, catch it quickly, give it a try.
C for cat, soft and small, it says meow and loves to crawl. D for dog, loyal and true, it wags its tail and plays with you.
E for elephant, big and strong, it lifts its trunk and walks along.
F for fish, swimming fast, in the water it splashes past. G for grapes, purple and green, juicy and round, a tasty scene. H for horse, gallop away, running freely all the day.
I for ice cream, cold and sweet, a yummy chilly summer treat.
J for jug, filled with juice, pour it out for kids' use.
K for kite,
Up in the sky, flying, floating way up high.
L for lion, brave and strong, roaring loudly all day long.
N for mallew, climbing trees, swinging branches with great ease.
N for nest, safe and small,
Birds build it for babies all. O for owl, who hoots at night, big round eyes so wide and bright. P for parrot, talking to, hello, hello, how are you? Q for queen, with crown so bright, shining jewels in morning light.
R for rabbit,
Hopping fast, in the garden
it runs past.
S for sun, shining bright, giving us warmth and light. T for tiger, strong and bold, with stripes of orange and gold.
U for umbrella, open wide,
Keeps us dry when rain we hide. V for van, moving slow, on the road it goes, it goes.
W for whale in the sea, the biggest creature there could be.
X for xylophone, colors bright, play the music, pure delight.
Y for yak, with furry hair, living in mountains cold and fair.
Z for zebra, black and white,